Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest It Finesse It on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Guy. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And the membership side of my channel where I have more exclusive manifestation content is linked below. And my master manifestation workshop where you can get programs, ebooks, boot camps, and workshops to manifest your dream life is linked below. And today we're going to be talking about it is always working. It meaning manifestation, it meaning the law, it is always working. And this is something that you guys have to always remind yourself and get into the habit of doing, is reminding yourself that it is always working. Movement is always happening. Things are always conforming. Things are always shifting. A lot of times people ask what they're doing wrong. I've been doing everything. What am I doing wrong? The problem is that you're assuming you're doing something wrong. When you have to always be in your mind that manifestation is always working, the law is always on your side. Things are always conforming the way you want them to conform, and things are always happening instantly. You have to know that when you're affirming, somebody is thinking this, somebody is doing this. This is happening in my life. I'm getting approved for this. These things are actually happening. People are getting the impulses to do it. There is always movement happening. Even when it seems stagnant, even when it seems like nothing's moving, even if you haven't had movement forever about this topic of your life, movement is still happening. It is still always working. The law is a law. It means it has been tried, it has been tested, it has been proved many, many times. It doesn't even matter what you want to call it. I don't care if you want to call it law of assumption, manifestation, placebo effect, Murphy's law, because manifestation isn't what you want manifesting. It's what you keep focusing on. Whatever I assume. I don't care if you want to call it quantum mechanics, quantum jumping, all this stuff. Whatever you want to call it, at the end of the day, it all means the same thing. Whatever I focus on, whatever I assume is what will guard my reality. And whatever I believe is what happened, my thoughts create. However you want to say it, it all means the same thing. It has been proven time and time over again in science, in religious scripture, and on platforms like these where you can go in the comments and see success stories. You go in the testimonials tab on my website and see success stories. So it's not a thing of you got to continuously manifest the green cars and the purple cars and the pink cars. You can do that because with those stuff, you believe the law is always working. You believe I will see this thing, I will see this card because the law works. But then you go to a specific person, you go to your money, you go to your job, you go to your house. That changes. It changes. Now all of a sudden the law doesn't always work. Now all of a sudden there's no movement. Now all of a sudden I affirm it, nothing happens. When we were doing the free parking spot, when we were doing the free coffee, and when we were doing the colored cars, it was working. When we were doing the angel numbers, it was working. That's the problem, is you completely switch your mindset when you go for things you actually want. Now all of a sudden the law doesn't work. Okay, whatever you say is what goes. That can be true if that's what you say, but why would you want that to be true? You don't want that to be true. What is true is that the law is always working. 24/7, 365, you don't have to do anything to activate it. You don't have to do anything to turn it on. Stop saying the law isn't working when it comes to you receiving what you want. You cannot affirm for what you want, visualize, and then say it's not working. The law is always working. It is literally literal. You say you're rich, you are. This person is thinking about you, they are. You say it's not working for you, it won't. You say you don't have anything in your reality that you want, you will not have it. Take it like that. You need to see your word, what you say, what you want, as law, as inevitable. It is inevitable. Your desires are inevitable. It is always working. Things are always moving in that way for you. You get to have what you want. It gets to work. Allow it to work. This is you allowing it to work. This is you putting your awareness on what you want and allowing that to be true. You have to allow the law to work for you in your favor, because it'll work regardless, but you want to use it in your favor. You want to think in your favor. You want to believe in your favor. You want to say these things. Anytime you talk to yourself or about your life, it needs to be in your favor. It needs to be the best possible outcome is the only option for me. The best possible reality is the only option for me. What I desire is the only option for me. What you want has to be inevitable. The law is inevitable. It cannot fail. You are not the one person that it doesn't work for. If it works for a million people, it can work for you. It does work for you. It works for you just as well. There's no such thing as somebody who's better at manifesting than you. There's somebody who focuses more on what they want. There's somebody who wavers less than you. There's somebody who chooses to assign a better meaning to everything, no matter what it is, than you. There's somebody who has their emotional regulation on point to where they don't react to circumstances. There's somebody who has a better self-concept than you, so they don't allow what they see to determine how they think, feel, behave about themselves, but you can also get there too. You can also change your self-concept. You can also regulate your nervous system. You can also start assigning good meanings no matter what is going on. Everything that's going on is the law working. And I want you to challenge yourself to do this starting now. I want you to start assigning the best possible meaning to things. Watch my video on it, how to do it, what it means. Start assigning it. I don't care what is going on. It is all the unfolding of your desire. It is all leading you to your desire. A lot of you guys ask, what does this mean? What does this mean? What does this angel number mean? What does this dream mean? What does this mean? It means that you have what you want. That is how you use the law in your favor. Every single possible thing, whether it makes sense or not, is you getting what you want, period. The law works. It is always working. It is always on. You are always manifesting. Always, always, always. As long as you're thinking, as long as you're assigning meanings, as long as you're assuming, as long as you're telling yourself things, you are manifesting. It doesn't turn off. Stop allowing 3D to be a measure of success. Stop allowing 3D to make you feel like the law isn't working. You are 3D. The reason 3D is the same is because you wake up and say the same thing about what's going on around you. You expect the same. You feel the same. You expect that every Thursday you're going to make exactly this many dollars and this many cents. You expect that every single day you're going to go to sleep. You're anticipating the feeling of being disappointed every single day, every single night, every single morning, every single afternoon. That is the law working. There is always movement. It is always working. It may be the same movement over and over, but it's moving. The only constant is change. The only promise is that things are continuously changing. Your job is not to make it work. Your job is not to make it happen. What's happening is what you're focused on. Your job is to change your focus, change your stories, change your self-talk, change the way you behave, change the way you feel, change the way you react, change the meanings that you're saying, and stop assuming that nothing's happening. Stop assuming that you're living in lack. Stop assuming that it doesn't work. Stop assuming that your power left you. Now you can't manifest anymore. Yes, you can. You're manifesting, not manifesting by saying you're not manifesting. You are in the fullest of control. You have every single thing that you want. It is all working. It is all working out for you. You're not fighting your 3D reality. This is just a hologram of what you're focused on. If you want something different, you say you are a master manifester. You say the law is working for you. You need to become obsessed with thinking in your favor. The best possible outcome is the only outcome for you. It is only happening in the best possible way for you. It can only work out for you. It can only go your way. The fastest that it could possibly manifest is the fastest it's coming for you. The best way it could possibly manifest is the way that it's manifesting for you. You having what you want and 10 times better is the only way that it's happening for you. Constant. It's always working. It's always moving. It's always going in your favor. You never have to worry about it not working out. You always get what you want. This is your world. This is your reality. It is right on time. Your desires are not passing you by. It is not slow. I don't care if you have deadlines coming up. It is all going to work out for you. Every single thing, every single time, every single day. Wake up and say, this law is working for me. It is working for me. I am not the one who's excluded. I am not the one who doesn't work for. I am not the one who can't create my reality. I am the operant power of my reality. I'm the ruler of my reality. I'm the creator of my reality. I am in full control of my reality. Your reality is yours. The law is on your side. Your reality is on your side. The universe is on your side. Everything is on your side. And you are winning. You are winning now. You are winning it all. You are in full control. It is always working. The movement is always happening regardless. It is happening right now. As you're watching this video, movement is happening right now. As you're watching this video, you're receiving your desires right now. As you're watching this video, it is all working out for you right now. The law is always working. It doesn't turn off. You are always in control. You are always a master manifestor, and you are always the operant power of your reality. Your assumptions always create. What are you assuming right now? Assume the best for yourself now. And that is all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.